English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Everything has its own beauty. The headmaster had an idea to present an educative drama, as the education festival was to be held at Kosei's school. And so, Lu Maw, who had artistic nature, was given an assignment for it. You lead a team and make arrangements for presenting a drama, teacher. Then, Teacher Lu Maw wrote a script and choose the persons to perform in the drama. Kosei, you are handsome. So, you act an actor. You are beautiful, daughter Pan Yong Chael. You have to act as an actress. Yes, teacher. Mong Za Mo, you are strong. You'd better act as a villain. Finally, the educative drama was performed at the education festival. The teacher as well as the students and their parents who attended the festival were quite pleased. The headmaster also felt great elation as a unique drama could be successfully presented. Next day, the headmaster met with those who took part in the drama, offered them gifts and gave words of praise. The audience like you very much because not only you are handsome, but your acting is also good, Kosei. As a matter of fact, you are a key performer in the drama, my pupil. Daughter Pan Yong Chael was also able to act beautifully as an actress. Actually, an actress is the lifeblood of drama. Mong Za Mo, you could play your supporting role forcefully. Your role is also vital, my pupil. So, I give you full marks. As you could play different musical sounds with a keyboard, the drama was lively, Mong Min Za U. Your musical ability is the key to the success of the drama, my pupil. What responsibility did you take, Mong A Khan? I had to draw stage backdrops. Your handiwork of painting backdrops was so natural and lively that it could lend a full support to the drama. At long last, the headmaster asked a pupil standing timidly. What responsibility did you also take, my pupil? Za Chin answered dejectedly in an undertone. I am neither handsome nor strong. Moreover, I have no knowledge about music and painting. Therefore, I had to take only the responsibility of drawing the curtains. The headmaster. Oh, you are the one who really played a vital role. If you had not been able to raise and drop the curtains timely during the change from one crucial scene to another, all would have been in disorder. It's a very praiseworthy achievement that my pupil Za Chin lent a great support to the success of the drama. The face of Za Chin, who was feeling dejected as he was given the responsibility of drawing curtains which no one wanted to take, lit up. We can't say any job is more important or less important. Likewise, there is no job more superior or inferior. Flowers have their own smell and their own beauty. The drama was crowned with successes. You decently did the duties assigned to you, my pupils. Bear in mind that no matter where you have got to carry out a kind of duty, the one who can do it distinctly is the most important person, my pupils. Of course, the headmaster. In the grand tapestry of life, every thread counts. Just like in our educative drama, each student played a unique role, and it was the combination of diverse talents that led to its success. Remember, no job is too small, and every contribution is valuable. Let's celebrate our differences, appreciate each other's strengths, and work together towards a harmonious and successful outcome. As the headmaster wisely said, there's no job more superior or inferior, each one is a vital piece in the puzzle of achievement. So, embrace your role, no matter how big or small, because, in the end, it's the collaboration of every individual that creates a masterpiece. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to find the beauty in every aspect of life. This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.